Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I unbox the Creative XF1 desktop speaker. The moment I saw this online, I quickly pre-ordered 2 units. I will give away the other unit as a Christmas present. What caught my attention was the clean white look and the brown base, which is made of cork. It gives out a Japanese Zen feeling looking at it. On the box, it is also advertising a new mobile app, the Creative Nexus. In the back of the box, it illustrated the back panel. Very appealing look with all the necessary connections and switches. But what does XF1 stand for? I wonder. Now to unbox it and see what's inside. There's a leaflet with QR code to download the apps. The stand is made of cork material. I believe it is to cushion the speakers from vibrations. Nicely thought of. Oh, I'm using a Mac Mini. This USB cable will need an adapter to convert to USB-C. This cable connects the left speaker to the right speaker. Such cable is used in high-end audio setup. That is what Google says. I love how the speakers are wrapped like a sock. Now to set it up, I try to keep the cabling neat on my desk. Okay, let's turn on the PC. Alexa, turn on PC. Download the app is a breeze. Search for Creative Nexus and that's it. Installation is fast and simple. The app is so clean and fast in response. Thumbs up. Take note that there is a firmware upgrade upon connected to the apps. It is best to update it as in any consumer products. The EQ is a more advanced parametric style EQ, but I will just use the preset first at the moment. Pairing with a mobile phone to stream music requires to trigger the pairing button behind the speaker. The speaker can cycle through supported sources from Bluetooth to auxiliary to USB by simply pressing the front volume knob. Now to test the sound. Wow, solid.